Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a countdown timer using Capcut. Whether we are making a YouTube intro, a live streaming starting screen, a quiz video, or a dramatic reveal, countdowns are a great way to build excitement and grab our audience's attention. The good news is that Capcut makes it simple to create countdown effects using text, animations, and built-in features. We do not need to be advanced editors to do this. We will explain everything in a clear and easy way, so everyone can follow along without any confusion. Now, let's get started. The purpose of this tutorial is to help us learn how to design and customize a countdown timer inside Capcut. Many creators want to add content to their videos, but are not sure how to animate numbers, adjust timing, or make the effect look smooth and professional. This tutorial is here to help us use Capcut's editing tools with confidence so we can make engaging and dynamic content. Once we know the process, we will be able to use it for intros, challenges, tutorials, announcements, and more. Now, let's see how to add a timer to our Capcut videos. First, we open Capcut. Once we are in Capcut, we click Create a Project. After that, we import our video. For example, we can use this video and place the timer wherever we want. To add a timer, we first need to download a timer video to our PC so we can import it into Capcut. Once we have it, we click Import again. Then click on the timer video we have and drag it down as our overlay. Next, we need to cut the timer to fit the part we want. To do this, we click Split. After splitting, we delete the extra parts so the timer fits our video. The next step is to crop the timer to the size we want. Since we are using just a small part, once we are done, we can change the size of the timer and move it to the position we like. It is up to us where we want to place it. When we play the video, the countdown will also play. You can also add timer countdown in effects. And this is a very easy way to add a countdown timer to our video using Capcut. With this tutorial, we now know how to create a countdown in Capcut and how to customize it to match our video style. With a bit of creativity and practice, we can turn a simple countdown into something eye-catching and professional.